Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a smooth zoom in transition in CapCut. So first you need to add two clips, and after that just click on the transition box in between the clips and go to camera, then select the pull in transition, set it for 0.3 seconds only. Click on the check icon and then click on a second clip, go to animations. On the end, click on unfold and set it to 1 second. Now click on a check icon and then you can add keyframes on the second clip at the beginning and also the end of the clip. Then you need to zoom in at the end or at the last keyframe. Okay, zoom it in like this, and after that you are done. But you can also add grabs to make the movement smoother. So I'm going to add the ease out grabs in between the first and second keyframe here. Okay, so that's all from me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment, like this video, and also click on the thanks below. That's it from me today. See you.